Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting the essentials ready. Know exact item names and desired price. Once done, check recent sale values so you avoid underpricing or overcharging. Make sure to be in a relay or dojo because player visibility matters. This boosts responses. You then open the trade chat and prepare a concise message with item, plat asking, and form. WTS item X1, price B, PSD. This direct approach reduces back and forth and gets trades moving fast. Now you post a clear, compact offer using the standard shorthand so players instantly understand you. Explain why your price matches market value by citing recent sales or rarity. This prevents lengthy bargaining. Once people reply, move the conversation into private messages quickly to exchange platform details and confirm expectations. If they agree, send a dojo invite or request to visit their dojo. This keeps the trade secure and speeds execution. Keep replies short and confirm trade terms twice. Finish by using the in-game trade window and verify every icon and plat count. You should always confirm before clicking accept. If something goes wrong, item missing, wrong plat, or client bug, stay calm and document it. Take screenshots and record the transaction window, then submit a support ticket with the match or chat details. If players suggest external transactions, decline, trade inside Warframe to keep protections. One troubleshooting tip: relog and restart the client if trades hang, then retry.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.